Hey y'all, today we are going to be opening some plant mail right here from Proven Winners Direct. I'm super excited to show you guys what I have ordered, and I'm really excited to show you guys how I'm going to be planting it in my garden. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you drop me a comment below. Have you ever ordered plants online? This is kind of new for me. I've been doing this for about a year. I kind of love it. There's no better mail than getting plants in the mail. I love getting plants. I love getting bulbs. I love getting seeds, anything along those lines. Okay, typically I would do this outside, but I have a neighbor who's getting a pool and they're spraying in all the gunite today. So literally it's just truck after truck after truck, and it's really loud out there. So I got my box in the mail. This is from Proven Winners. It looks like the bottom got smashed a little bit in the mail, but I will say it's holding together pretty well. So it'll be interesting to see what's in it. They always have these little tabs in their box, and it's pressed in, and that makes it like holds the plants in place. So one of the first things you need to do when you get an order from Proven Winners Direct is pull the tabs out all the way around, because that's what's holding the plants in place inside. Now, also when you're getting plants in the mail, you need to open them as soon as you get them. Do not let them sit there for days and days and days. Bring them inside your house, get them open, check them out, and water them. You can already see stuff coming right out the top of these because I ordered some grasses, which I'm super psyched about. So let's see what I've got in here. Okay, well, let me get the grasses out first. Oh, they sent me a sample of their continuous release plant food. That's cool. Oh, they sent me several samples of their continuous release plant food. Okay, so here's the first one coming out. Proven Winners Direct always puts theirs in kind of these sleeves. It's half plastic, half like perforated like cloth type of thing, so the plant can breathe. The bottom is typically open, and you can see why I typically open this outside, not inside. Just too loud today. So this first one I got, very excited, is called Graceful Grasses Blue Hawk, and it's called a soft rush, and it's full to part sun, about 24 to 36 inches wide. This is a perennial in my area. Let me confirm that. Yes, zones 5A to 9B. And I bought it because I don't have a lot of grasses in my yard. In my garden, I really need some interesting structure. I have lots and lots of cut flowers, you guys know. And so I really want to think about kind of installing some perennials that give me an interesting look and that I don't have to worry about as much and that I don't have to replant each year. So that one, once again, is the Graceful Grasses Blue Mohawk Soft Rush. And I got a second one. And I'll show you guys in a little bit. Once all the noise from today has settled down, I'll show you guys where I'm going to put all of this. So here's the second one. Also looking in good shape. Soil is still slightly moist. And I like running my hands through it. It's fun. All right, got that. And then next, I'm super excited about what I got over here too. I have two types of sedum from Proven Winners Direct. This first one is Coral Jade Sedum, or Rock and Grow Coral Jade, and it is a perennial, full sun. Let's see. It goes to about, 16 to 18 inches in height. That's perennial in zones 3 to 9. It's hardy to -40, which is great. It blooms late summer to early fall. All right, looks like I got a few loose leaves on here. Looks good. Okay, sweet. I'm excited. So there's the Coral Jade Sedum. And then the last one I got, I can put this box down, is another sedum. They smell really good. Rock and Grow Back in Black, and it is a full sun perennial. It is about 20 to 24 inches tall, zones 3 to 9. Blooms in late summer, early fall. It's a way darker tone, so the leaves are a much more like dark purple, blackish tone, which I think will be a really nice contrast in the garden. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get these all watered really well, just to make sure that they've got a really good drink. And then I'm going to start them off on my back patio in the shade and allow them to acclimate for a couple of days before planting them directly into the ground in full sun, because all of these are full sun. It is the middle of July or beginning of July in North Texas. So this next week is historically the hottest week every year in North Texas. So it'll definitely be triple digits this next week. So I don't want to just immediately throw these outside. You're just asking too much of the plant, in all fairness. So I'm going to baby them because I love them and I want them to do well. So once again, I'll put them on the back porch. I'll water them really well. I'll give them a couple of days in the shade, and then I'll kind of start moving them out into the sunshine so they can acclimate to this like crazy hot weather in North Texas. So let's get that done. Okay, so what I've done is I've just taken one of my seed trays, I filled it up with about 1.5 inches of water, and I placed all of my new plants in there. They're in the shade on the back patio. I'm just gonna allow them to slowly drink up the water and let them acclimate to the heat of this area. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, seeing what my latest haul was from Proven Winners Direct. So I ended up with the 2 sedums and the blue Mohawk soft rush, so grass. So I'm really excited about that. And I'll be showing you guys in an upcoming video where I place them and what I'm gonna be doing with them. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.